Bibili ako ng bulk light.
Ilang ba yung knobs mo? Ako, bibili ata ako ng strap light kung meron pa naman sana akong 100 knobs. Sabi ko na nga, di ba pwede? Di ba pwede ah? So, napapansin nyo guys, ba't walang music yung laro ko? Kasi, walang music yung laro ko kasi, nakalagay dito sa game settings ata. Nasaan ba yung settings? Di ba may settings to? Okay. Nasaan ba yung settings dito? So, as you know guys, naglaro ako ng... Ba naman yan? Wait lang nga, i-upload pa eh. Baka ba kasi biglang So, napansin nyo guys, may in-upload akong video kung saan namatay ako kay Sick dahil nagkamali ako ng talon. Nahulog pa ako to my death. Oh yeah. Yun yung kasi yun yung mahirap eh, tumatalon ka sa Sick Chase.
Mabot ako.
Oo nga, alam.
Ito.
Di ka umabot. Okay. Yung lesson learned, my guy. Always trust guiding light. You always trust. Wait, am I invisible? Why am I invisible? Wait, am I invincible? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Woo! Babalik na ako bukas, boss.
Kailan ba yung kanina yung mo?
Depende, wala pa eh. May band-aid dito, oh. Ba naman yan? Ooh! Uy! Heaven!
Nakayos ako ng glow.
Ikaw nga yung merong eh. Ooh! Kadami ah. May glow stick pa ako nakuha. Mukhang nasa tayo eh. Uy! Asan tayo? Aw.
Mamimiss kita, boss.
Ba naman yan? Ba't meron pang... Teka, ba't meron pang Ba't meron pang ganito? Merong mga tubig-tubig.
106.
Oo nga, 106.
Sak.
Wait! Loot ay buhay, boss. Puro band-aid na may nakukuha ko. Some loots ay pwedeng makatulong. Namastan si Gigel, yung palaging uma-attack sa'yo minsan.
May nakita ko.
May?
Sak.
Alin?
May nakita ko.
Alin?
Ayun o.
Ano yun? Ba't yan? Asan ba?
Ayun o.
Bulk light.
Ako na yan.
Bakit?
Nakita ko. Akin yan eh.
Anong nakita?
Oh.
Di ka pwede magdalawahan ng bulk light. Binigay mo sa akin eh. Puro band-aids.
Ito na ng lighter kunin mo.
Napaka-useless ng lighter, boss. Napaka-useless ng lighter, boss. Okay na. Yan mo na. Kapag meron tayong na-approach na fire dump na kwarto, i-on ko yung lighter ko para sumabog yung yung mga vulkan, din mamatay tayo.
Upad ka, boss.
Hindi, diniloko lang kita. Ba't naman ba't ko naman gagawin yun? Syempre, di ko gagawin yun. May-end yung run natin.
Pwede yung flashlight?
Di pwede. Hindi. Hindi, kasi flammable kasi yun eh. What do you mean by flammable? Flammable things?
Flashlight.
Hindi nga pwede. Hindi pwede yung flashlights.
Di naman flammable yun ah.
Kapag ano, yung mga flammable things lang nga. Ang sinabi ko, mga flammable things.
Lighter lang.
Lighter lang ang pwede.
Ang tawal.
Lighter lang ang pwedeng pang ano, pang trigger nun. Sige, gusto mo i-test natin. Sige,
Ay, hindi.
sige, i-test natin ha. Ayan, ayun na si Ice. Uy! Ano mo naman yan? Ganda ng, uy! Ang ganda ng jump scare ni Ice. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Pasensya na. Nako, magte-teleport ata siya dito. Ayun nga, nag-teleport nga siya. Ba't ganon? Nakikita kong kwarto, walang mga bulk lights. Wait. Meron ba dito? Ah! Mga band-aids. Actually, kailangan ko nga eh. Another glow stick. Boy, alam ko. Ano ba? Tumigil ka na nga, Ice. Teleport ka ng teleport. Wala namang magagawa yung teleport mo na yan. Oy! Ang nakakainis kay Ice, teleport siya ng teleport. Ito yung ayaw ko sa kanya. Oh no. Oh no. Boy, nandito si Giggle.
Okay, awesome.
You wanna go, giggle. Oh, fool. I like to see you wiggle. I'm sure. It's 6 feet 2 in a compact. Let's go.
I will miss you, boss.
Yeah. Let's go. Pum pam 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 pum 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 pam 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 pam. All right.
Hindi pa ata tayo na-attack ni Giggle tsaka ni Screech.
Na-attack na nga ako ni Screech eh. Oh my god, ba't ganon? Glitch yung ano ko. Sabi, nandito.
Wala yan.
Ano ba naman yan? We came all the way up here for nothing.
Ang pwet mo.
Ano ba naman? Oh! Wait. Bossing. Ay, oo nga pala. May gloombats dito. Sinigil si Ice. Ay, ayoko. Wait, boss. Kaya mo na, gagawin ko yan palagi kapag meron tayong na-approach na room na ganito. Oh! May lock. Maganda pa naman sana. Yun. Mas maganda pa naman sana may lock. Kapag meron ka pa naman sanang lockpicks. Boy, I'm gonna get some shears. I'm gonna open that chest. I bet they will have bulk lights there, but the problem there's no shears. Where's the shears? There's no shears. There's no shears. What the hell, bro? Bro, you can actually hear the Figgy. You can actually hear the Demogorgon. That's gonna be a problem. There's double doors. I don't like if it's... Jupe is my worst enemy. Bro, Bro, we both got damage. I think I know. Wait, hold up. If you guys did not know, before Screech appears, my screen is like shaking a little bit, and then all of a sudden Screech appeared right here. I think that's also an indication where Screech is already with you. Yeah, rush. I guess I'm gonna go here.
Die.
I'm gonna go here. Let's go! Woo!
Kahit sa kakaya mo, munti ka na akong patay.
Dahil sa isang closet lang, motik na rin ako mamatay.
Saglit.
Wait, saglit lang din. Diba naman yan? Wasted ah. Boss, may gagawin ako. Alam ko yung weakness. Kiel, may gagawin ako.
Boss, dito boss.
Oh. Uy! Akala ko na-equip ko yung lighter ko. Kiel, I will equip my lighter.
Bukan mo lang.
Wala na. Huwag ka maglala. Wala na. Oh, no! He's coming. He came pretty late, by the way. Hey, figure, come here! No. He did not hear that. Oh no! Don't tell me there's Giggle here. We have to keep moving so he won't attack us. Ooh, Demogorgon! I have a problem. What if there's a droop door over here? Oh my god! Where are you? My money down, jiggle. It fold. I like to see you wiggle. Bro, I'm always getting attacked by Screech.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Oh my god! I did not see the door. What?
Ay, nako. This is my pet peeve.
Oh no. Oh no, don't tell me we will get leptospirosis in here. This is my worst thing. If I run out of air, that's a problem. Bro, I'm gonna die. Goodbye.
Ang hirap naman.
You drowned. What way are we even going?
Again.
You need oxygen to breathe. That's what I thought. The guiding light. Keep your head above waves if there's no visible oxygen underwater. Oh. Fine. Bro, that just became my new pet peeve.
Masok.
Wait.
Ay, kunin mo na. Eh, sumot ko to eh.
Well, since I already have this, Bro, I actually need a... I actually need a strap light, but the problem, it costs 100 knobs. I only have 73 knobs on me. Well, ow. Giggle, don't giggle. It falls. Oh, wait. My giggle, don't giggle. It jumps on your face. No, what the heck? Oh, never mind. I will not say it anymore. My man, giggle, don't giggle. It jumps. I like to see him giggle on my best friend's face. Trying to kick it off. 6 feet 2 in a compact. Yes, Screech. Come at me. Are you whipping seaweed right now? Sheesh. Oh, yeah, let's do Ronaldo. Okay, maybe it's time to look into this. Man, there's no like, man, I bet Screech, meron ka bang crush sa akin? Kasi, ako palagi ang tinatarget mo kaysa sa kaibigan ko. Bias ata si Screech sa akin, ako palagi ina-attack. Ayan, sabi ko na nga eh. Bias si Screech sa akin eh, ina-attack ako eh. Diba naman yan, ang dami kong... Boss! May battery ako nakita dito. Wait lang, may nakita akong very muy especial. Do you see this? Hey, do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Oink? Wait. Do you see this? Oink? Yeah.
Asa ba?
Oh. Ano ba?
Asan?
Wait. Where? What? No, don't tell me that there's no. Oh. What? No. Bro, this is my worst pet peeve. The no door furniture thing. Oh my god. At least I have my battery. What do you call that? The battery thing?
Dito na.
Yeah. Oh, come on. I did not mean to do. Yeah, my money don't jiggle. It falls. I like to see you wiggle.
May hahanapin guys.
Ah. Okay, akin na yung battery na yun. Nangongolekta ako ng mga batteries. Eh. Yeah, my money don't jiggle. Giggle never giggles. Yeah. Giggler the gigla. Giggler the Rizzler. Problema ko, mukhang naglalag yung ano ko. Ayan, may nahanap akong isa, boss. Ba't gano'n? Naglalag yung ano ko. Naglalag yung ano ko eh, nag-ano. Ang kanyang kapuri ay
manatili mapagkailanman.
Well, I guess kailangan ko buksan to.
Dakilang gawain ng Diyos, sila'y ating pasalamatan.
Pakiramdam ko, dito ata dadating si Rush.
Sumasamba sa kanya.
Nasaan si Giggle? May narinig na naman akong Giggle.
Mahal sa Panginoon. Karunungan.
Aray, ano ba? Aray, ano?
Ng kapuri. Manatili.
Wala, may isa na naman dito. Oh. Diyan kayo. Uy!
Dakilang gawain.
Boss! Uy! Ano ba? Oh, Kel! Buti naman, nagdala ako ng lighter. Sige, susubukan ko. Oh, no, nandito na si Rush. Ang dami kong kalokohan, boss. Dami ka talagang kalokohan. Why, Mr. Mata? Hindi kita matutulungan. Ina-attack na ako ni Ice. Ano naman yan? Ito ayaw ko kay Ice. Ito ayaw ko kay Giggle eh. Napakapangit ng tawa. Oy, Gel, hintayin mo ako! Hintayin mo ako!
Boss?
Asan na naman si Screech?
One more time.
Ano ba naman yan? Kung hindi na pupunta natin pintuan sa'yo. Tsaka hindi niya alam yung mga pintuan na nandito. Tsaka di ko alam yung mga pintuan na nandito. Yung mga pintuan na nasa bleble.
Dito.
Mga kalokohan ko kasi eh. Mga kalokohan ko kasi ang gagawin ko sana pwedeng mag-ano eh.
Hindi ko mahanap.
Asan yung pintuan? Gusto niya kasi kalokohan. Gusto mo ba ng kalokohan?
Ano kasi ginagawa? Ito ata.
Kung ano kasi pinag... Saka pa nagsisipunta.
Kasi pumupunta.
Saan ka pupunta? Sinusundan lang kita. Ano ba naman yan? Ano ba naman yan? Eto! Sa wakas. Oh my God! Giggle, malapit na kitang... Ay, giggle don't, giggle. It never folds. I like to see him, giggle. Don't calm down. Di naman ako maano ah. Oh no! Oh no. Ano to? Nandito na naman ata si Sik. Ay! Ano ba naman yan? Yun yung nakakatakot na part eh. Sige, si Figure biglang pupunta sa'yo. Kel, wait gagawin ako. Lumabas ka muna. And...
Hindi connect. Mata ko.
Ay, ako nga rin. Baka ma-disconnect din ako.
Oy!
Look!
Bilang na ako.
Ayun ka! Ayan, namatay. Bilis, lumabas ka.
Ako.
Sige, wait lang.
Dito mo natin.
Yung kala ko, ginagaya mo ako, no? Sige. Oh my God, ayun na siya. Okay.
Tulog kita eh.
Ikaw nga yung ano. Nasan siya?
Papunta dito.
Naku po.
Ay na. Go.
Dito. Tago dito. Uy! Ay! Oh no! Oh my God! Asan ka? Ah! Wait lang, boss. Ayun siya.
Okay ka na.
Oh no. Hulo! Di ko alam na pwede niya yung gawin.
Mamatay ka na.
Duba naman yan, namatay ako. Wait lang boy, nag-overheat yung anak ko.
Ako.
Ano ba naman yan? Yung kalokohan ko na yan, nakapahamak ako. Mga kalokohan ko na yan, basta pahamak ako.
Ano ko sila nalaman mo eh.
Well, I guess, the moral lesson here, guys, wag kayong gumawa ng ano-anong kalokohan. Yun nangyari sa akin.
Naglalag talaga ako.
Nako, naglalag ikaw, boss. Wala akong stoplight.
Patay ako ni Hall.
Halt! O talaga, mamamatay lang ikaw sa isang simpleng entity? Nako. Okay guys, dito ko na isisimula yung troll at dito ko na isisimula yung mga kalokohan ko.
Uy, may lapik.
Oh, buksan mo yung ano na yun! Buksan mo yun! Buksan mo to, and then...
Uy!
Okay, I'll give you this one.
You then this little bra.
Okay, binigay na kita. Ano naman yun? Well, I guess akin yung battery na to. Ito, oh. Ganda ng stoplight. Ayan, lumitaw na pala yung stoplight. At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasay. So, yun guys, ito na. Ito-troll ko na yung kaibigan ko. Well, ngayon, I guess, i-open ko na. Okay, go. Let's start the troll by abandoning him. Okay, let's go. Go! Woo! Okay. Oh! No! The strap light did not work on him. Diba naman yan, di gumagana yung strap light. Oh my God!
Day bag.
Uy, may lock. Oh, wait. Uy, may lockpick!
Asan? Asan? Walang holo.
Joke lang, wala akong lockpick. Uy!
Tama.
Ikaw talaga? Wala ko, nandito na si Rush.
Topic!
Lockpick! Asan si Screech? Asan ba si Screech? Gulo ba naman yan?
Boss, ito na. Ay, iwanan na kita, boss.
Yo! Wag. Wag, kung hindi. Uy. This is for...
Oh, mali.
Uy.
109.
Okay, dito.
Bakit pa pa ganun tumama? Para ka may sinasabi eh. Ay, tingnan pati. Para matamaan ka.
Hindi. Oh no!
Ah, Dok, bising pa siya.
Hey, wait! I'm bringing up my precious little body. Oh!
Bakit pa ako?
Oy, sorry. Oy, pasensya na, boss. Sorry.
Pati.
Oy, sorry. Sorry, bibigyan kita ng battery. Oh, ito, oh.
Scam to.
Oh, ito, yung battery. Oh, ito.
Ayan pang
Ito. Ito. Ito, strap light to. Lo.
medyo pa nato na.
Ito, battery, oh. Ulo. Ano ba naman yan? Ba't nagaganito yung screen ko? Ah, eto na, oh. Eto figure, oh. Papakainin na kita. Oh. Sheesh. Nagano si figure. Ha? Ang galing, ah. Hindi naman actually ganun yung gagawin namin, eh. Oh, gee. Ba naman yan? Ba't parang mukhang ang dami nating ano? Oh my gosh.
Battery off.
Hindi ko na...
Okay.
Okay, ito na si Rush. Oy, si Figure pala yun! No ba naman yan? Oh! What the? Bro, look at your body. Look at your body. Bro, look at your body. Okay, I gotta go to Figure.
Uy, Sak, may bolt light yun. Bahala ka.
Yawa na, may strap light naman na ako. Wait pa. Hindi ko makita. Asan ba si Stick? Ano ba naman yan? Oy, aray! Aray!
nakalimutan mo ba tayo? Like po.
What? Play again. Oh my gosh. Okay, kailangan ko na talagang i-throw yung kaibigan ko. Pinagtawanan niya ako. Na namatay ako. Okay. Nandito ako.
Ako mamaya pansit kanton.
Pansit kanto!
Oo.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man man. Man. Magmaman.
May nakita kong lockpick. Bigay mo sa akin.
Hindi, sige, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Oo, bigay mo.
But I'm afraid the three of you are going to have to make some tough decisions. Terrible decisions.
Ah,
I wish with all my broken heart.
Bruh, but
yun naman.
puro glow. Ang lighter naman to, napaka-useless. Sa'yo na nga. Eh, sa'yo na.
Ako!
Sa'yo na. Sa'yo na.
Ako!
Eto, sa'yo na. Oh,
Pal!
lo. Sa'yo na, oh.
Ano ko para bigay mo?
Oh, sa'yo na. Oh, sige, ayaw mo, ah. May glow.
Bigay mo ako.
Sige, bibigay ko sa'yo yung mga lockpicks na nakikita ko.
O, akin na. Sorry na.
Hindi, ayaw mo eh. Kaya sige na nga, bibigay ko sa'yo. Oh, yan. Iba naman yan.
Equip ko to.
Oh, wag.
Alam mo kung saan?
Sa gloom
May
bats.
fire dam.
Fire dump.
Oo, kupal ako eh.
Eh, ako nga, puro kalokohan eh. Sige, kapag in-equip mo yan, bahala ka, mamatay ka sa gas pump. Mamatay ka sa gas explosion. Mamatay ka sa gas explosion kapag in-equip mo yan, bahala ka.
I got scared.
Okay. Oo nga, nasagasaan pa ikaw ni ano eh. Oo.
Mas, may pagkamali na ginawa mo.
Ano?
May mali kang ginawa.
Anong maling ginawa?
Wala.
Ba naman yan? Nasaan ba si Gigel?
Pinag-aaral.
Oh no, eto na si Bertha. I'm gonna name you Bertha. Right? I'm gonna name this guy Bertha. Okay, Bertha, let's go. Come on, Bertha.
Bakit natin siyang big birthday? Ito, kupal.
Let's go, Bertha.
Tay na si Berta.
Okay. It all started with
Ay,
Bertha.
nasa na ba yung fire dam?
Wala pa.
Oh, pa.
You probably have a nice taste.
No 7 nga ba? No 7.
Yeah, you have a great taste with Bertha. I think ang gagawin ko is to not move around with Gigel. 6 feet 2 in a compact. Gigel. Oh, dito ako. Oh. Bye-bye.
Wala ka na.
Oh, yo. Okay.
Ay, puro gigilay.
Oh, ba't ako nag-stop? Oh, eto na si Gigel. Oy!
Bakit na?
Ano ba yan? Dito tayo? Wala pa.
Hindi ba?
Sayang yung... Ay! Ano ba naman yan?
Okay.
Ano ba naman yan, Screech?
Gagawin natin. Stop.
Kinagat ako ni Screech.
Ano gagawin natin?
Wait, eto na. Gagawin ko din. Thank you.
Pinakalimutan ko gawin.
Wala akong glow stick.
No.
Oh!
Kailangan mo ng glow stick.
Oo.
O, bibigyan kita.
Oh, sige. Asan si Berta? Hindi ko makuha. Wait lang. Oy! Sige, okay. Sige, okay. Di mo binigay sa akin yung glow stick. Di mo binigay sa akin yung glow stick.
Meron dito.
Oy, di mo binigay. No, di mo binigay. Ito. May dalawa na ako nakita. Ano ba naman yan? May dalawa na ako nakitang glow stick. Join. Doon naman yan. Nag-a-access ka ng... Kailangan ko. Ano ba naman yan? Sige, gawin mo!
Okay.
We both died. I told you it's flammable ball. Bro committed the unforgivable sin in the world.
Unforgivable ba yan?
Of course. I don't know. Yeah, of course. Hey, let me tell you something. If we die one more time, the video ends.
Ay, bago mo ba sinasabi? Beses na tayo namatay.
One more time, I've said if we die one more time, the video will end because apparently I've been recording for like 48 minutes.
Beses na mo niya sinabi. Hindi mo pa inend yung video.
I said if we die one more time, the video ends. My gali, Ario.
Pag may revive.
Di walang revive.
Ano nga pag mayroon?
Di wag na. Bawal mag-revive.
Man, maglaro tayo hotel.
Anong hotel? Sige, bago magbalikan. Okay, Berta, let's go. Come on, let's go, Berta.
Gusto mo ba balik doon?
Alas 2. Umaga ka gigising mamaya.
Ano nga ako magigising?
Have a great taste from Berta. Nako.
Ay, tingpas ko. Wala.
Ba naman yan? Wala.
Bakit? Gusto mo ko mamatay?
Hindi. Nafu-full lang tayo kasi eh.
Bakit?
Wala akong sinabi.
Kabag mo?
Wala akong sinabi. Wala akong sinabi.
Sinabi mo ano ba naman yan? O kaya gusto mo ko pumatay? Ba't bigla akong bumili?
Di ko alam.
Nakahigop ko siguro.
Kakahigop.
Nakalasa ka. Ito siguro ng gas. Okay na
Okay.
on our northbound journey. But as we
At
were
tigilan mo na kung ano ginagawa mo dyan. Okay na rin.
soaking in the sunshine.
Bahala ka, iniwanan na kita.
Following the coast
Okay.
Nakita ko pa na eh.
dispersed with lakes. Along the way, we spotted the historic settlement of Helena, which is conveniently sheltered by a large rock overhang.
Ay, nako.
Palit na ata tayo. Si Gigil na yung ikaw na ata sinatarget ni Gigil. Ako naman kay
Ako ngayon nakatak ni Screech eh.
This is in no small part due to
Ako naman yung inaatak ni...
powered the local development.
Ano yun?
Upon leaving the city, the weather deteriorated.
Yung nagmukhang amoy panis na itlog.
Rainfalls in north. Despite having lost the warming sunshine,
Sabi daw ng iba, si Gigel ay may tama sa ulo. So, saan siya nagigil? Oh.
Tinatakan ni Gigil, tinatakan ni Screech.
Galing. Pasensya nagigil. Niloloko lang kita. Nagpalit na nga tayo. Oh, eto na.
traffic on the road, which was made up by as many sheep as other cars. We drove down the which led us towards the inlet
Eto na si Rush. Send someone to love. Send someone to love me. I need to rescue now. Keep me safe from now. Okay. It's my soul. Ay. Here's the shame. I will grow. Let's go, Bertha. Before my time. To be a better man.
leads across an alpine plateau known for its turbulent weather swings.
Go easy on my car, babe. I need to rescue now. Keep me safe from now.
The famous
It's my soul. Oh no, Gloom Beats. Oh, ito. Gloom Bats, oh. Ayan, bumalik na sa akin sa Screech.
Of course, today, as you
Oh,
can see,
malindol.
rain and fog are just part of a regular Norway road trip, so we have to make the best of it and enjoy the views we get. I waited for more than 1 hour.
Eee. Bro, I've been recording.
My efforts were not
Bro, we came out at the same time.
one option to leave the spot is on the
Oh, wait. 117. Woo!
west.
What?
It was evident when we came upon several marvelous waterfalls.
Nothing?
Hindi na umabot ako kay Sis.
It was time to board our first
Wait. Door 116 pa lang tayo.
weather certainly we scored a jackpot with our campsite.
Ay, nako, Jupe. That's why Jupe became my pet peeve.
Entirely unneeded, revealing the splendor of the monumental Lucifer.
Topic ko na.
I don't know, dude.
Ikaw naman magbukas.
Even the sun granted us a few moments of her time.
Ikaw mas lucky.
No, I'm the unluckiest one. Oh, no. I'm gonna go this way.
May construction site.
Hold up. I'm gonna try to walk backwards. Look, oh, you can see his true body. It may be easy.
The crew struck down 600 meters.
Look, you can see his full body. Remove.
However, visitors should not expect any type of wilderness feat, as the trail is so
Woo! Hey! Sheesh. Bro, open the door. Get to the door.
we made farewell to the deep south
Hey! Get to the door.
journey.
Not now, Screech. Ay!
Ito naman, mamamatay ka na naman dito.
Duda ko. Hindi, di naman ako namatay kay Figure. Namatay lang ako kay Screech eh.
Kalokohan ang ginawa pa dito.
Ngayon na siya.
Ano mo na naman?
Hindi. Ayun na siya, ayun na siya, ayun na siya, ayun na siya! Go, 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 go! Oh my God! Buti naman, boss.
Okay.
So far, di ba tayo na-attack ni Ambush? So far, di ba tayo na-attack ni Ambush? Napakagaling, di ba? Ano ba yun? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 25! 125, 126, 126. Yeah, 126, 126. I know it. Oh, not the gloom bats. Not now. Screech is always the one who's targeting me now. Alright guys, and today we're in the fire dump. Don't. What, bro? There is 3? Wait. Wait, I'm gonna try to. Boy, I will take. You'll take the other one. I'll take the other. You take the other two. You take the other two. Okay. You take this one. You take this one. You take this one also. Bro, what's that? Why is there an alarm clock? Whoa, dude, what's that? Put that down. That thing is deadly. Bro, I'm wasting my like that. Where's my lockpicks? Bro, I need some lockpick. Wait, can you use this on the lock? Let's see. Let's use it. We cannot.
The one redeeming fact about the constant rain is that there's so much water that no matter what outside you get,
Uy! I almost died.
10 to 20
Bro, I almost died to ice.
and it's absolutely magical to look at. The road was suddenly covered in even more water. The cheeky rascal holding that vigorous
I think Rush. Ice? Bro, that guy is always watching.
easy to get to, as the access road runs directly along its base.
If I die to seek one more time.
Which compared to other fuels is not quite as steep. As a result, visitors will come upon countless orchards in the area, which indicates that at least sometimes the sun must shine. For now,
I think we should follow Bertha.
as we made our way up a mountain road that teleported us straight back to winter.
Open that.
No, I'm already at low health.
Surprised that we arrived at a
Lalo na ako.
shortly after
Even me.
all around Europe travel here to
Ah!
during the summer. Other resorts close.
Namatay ka?
No. But I need band-aids.
We took the opportunity to fill our water tank with 100
I need a band-aid case. Bro, my health. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Did make an occasional appearance in the subsequent days.
Oh no, I've been recording for almost 1 hour already.
Lasted for only a couple of moments.
I've been recording for 1 hour.
Especially
Oh, tigilan mo yung recording.
137, 137, 138.
this barren mountain plateau is characterized by countless rivers.
138, 139. Oh no, this is it. 140. The sick. Oh no, not yet. It's just the gloom bats. Bro, why do I keep stepping on these eggs?
Going cross-country is equally accepted.
What door is usually... Bro, they're following you! What door usually where Seek will go?
Untamed spirit of the environment.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 Deep breaths. We gotta go. We gotta go. If I die one more time, the video will actually end. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Uy, bro, I don't like that. The water is turning black. Oh no, 1 hour left. And love! Woo! Oof. Go, 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 go! No! No! Bro, I cannot believe that's happened.